A new career opportunity announcement from Kopplin, Kuebler, and Wallace. Lancaster Country Club in Lancaster, Pennsylvania is seeking a general manager chief operating officer with effective, hands-on leadership, strong business acumen, and impeccable credentials. Founded in 1900, Lancaster Country Club has been a cornerstone of the community for more than a century. Originally established as a family-oriented retreat, the club relocated to its current New Holland Pike property in 1913. Today it is recognized as one of the country's premier championship venues, proudly hosting the U.S. Women's Open in both 2015 and 2024. The addition of the 9-hole Highlands course in 1990 further enhanced the golf experience for members and their families. Over the years, the club has thoughtfully expanded its facilities while preserving its rich traditions. The Activities Pavilion, which features a resort-style pool complex, a youth lounge, a fitness center, golf simulators, and dining areas, serves as the hub of family recreation. Members also enjoy a robust racquets program and its own pavilion with an outdoor firepit terrace. The main clubhouse also offers additional indoor and outdoor dining options, creating an outstanding experience for every generation. Salary is open and commensurate with qualifications and experience. For a complete position profile and application instructions, consult the Kopplin, Kuebler, and Wallace website under current openings.